Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix voicemail not working on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down to end, click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search voicemail app from here. For example, this is voicemail app and click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and update and click on backup and reset. Click on reset phone and click on reset network setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update. You will see first option is software update. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix voicemail not working on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.